Holy crap. This is sick.
Thanks.
So what's it called? Hyperion?
Yeah, this is called the XP-1.
XP-1?
Yeah.
And it runs on a fuel cell?
Yeah, hydrogen fuel cell technology.
Sick.
If you have an Instagram, you can follow us on Instagram.
What's the name?
Hyperion Motors.
Okay.
If you look, that'll be the symbol.
Check it out. Awesome. It's cool if I video this?
Yeah, go for it. Take a couple pictures. If you take pictures, you can
tag you guys?
Tag us in them.
Awesome. You'll repost them? Sick. So this is your only mule that's running around? Only prototype?
Yeah, this is our concept car. It's like the only one of its kind right now.
So how does the door open?
Very carefully.
Yeah. Yeah, you just say door open.
Snap your fingers.
Not for this model.
Yeah.
Not for this one.
Can you open the door? Check the interior?
Yeah.
Not this time. We're actually moving it right over here.
All right.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Back up a little bit.
Sick. Kind of looks like an i8 on steroids, mixed with some Bugatti. Crazy. I love it. Keep pushing technology. Zero emissions. Everyone's happy.
Follow me.
I think you've driven a lowrider before.
Let's make sure, we need to make sure that this part, the trailer has
Do a little beach photography. Saw this thing from PCH and I turned around. I had to. Look at this thing, it's epic.
Go get the drone real quick, guys.
Alex, are you on the phone with Tony? I'm not on the phone. Is anybody on the phone with Tony? I don't think so. I joined the call on the video.
Pretty sick. Carbon fiber roof, hood. Only Laguna Beach, right? You heard it here and saw it here first.
Going to Mars.
Get some close-ups. Epic. You don't need a drone when you're over 6 feet tall.
Go to Mars.
A little close.
Go there.
Drone doesn't have fuel cell technology.
Are you guys, are we good? So what's the running line? It's not. Yeah, it's not.
You can't get it, right?
As of right now, no, but
Put a 1-300 one in the Flies, right?
Some nice aero on it.
where they make it, or where you, where race out. It's gonna be our final shot, guys. Can everyone clear from the car, please? Can you guys back up, please?
Thank you.
You got it?
Gotcha.
Cool.
Right,
I'll
thank
follow
you.
you back. Nice
Appreciate
meeting you. So can you actually get out now? Can you actually get out of the car now?
Oh, he already got it.
Oh, he's out? So what is it, like a, it's not a gull wing, right? It's more of like a butterfly? Okay. So what's the next stop? When you guys gonna show it off again? Done for today?